Shake quickly in case he leaves. Please put that away and
Okay. It just started like this when we got out the door. Well, you're right about the snowstorm.
quickly, Shay. Call
Okay. I gotta get my bag and get the number out.
Leave a message if you have to. Tell him we just left, we got around the corner, and we can't see a foot in front of us. It's the wrong number. Try and dial right now.
We're sorry. You must dial 1 or 0.
You're not dialing right
Oh
now.
my god, stupid thing.
Here, Shay.
I'm sorry.
It's 22.
Dial. So much trouble with his number.
Oh my, come on, Shay. Jeez. Give me the bloody phone. 613. Okay.
Sorry.
Wait, no, I just don't want him to risk his life. You gotta put a 613 in front of local numbers.
Yeah, I know, I was doing that.
So what were you screwing up on?
I kept screwing up on the last digit.
3626.
I know.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. Bring Larry Francis is not available. At the tone, please record your message.
Hi, Larry. It's Marion and Shay calling. We were just on our way out to meet you up at the class, and we got around the corner, and we can't see a foot in front of us. It's so treacherous down here at the lake, so we're not going to be able to make it up there. I'm going to call you at the Legion and see if you get this message, okay? And I'm really sorry. Thanks. Bye.
That's like scary snow, Mom.
It is bad.
I know, that's really...
Ha!
What?
Or you. That's not very nice, Marion. Or you. Oh, that's funny. Okay, I'm calling because Shay, our daughter,
No, really.
has a drum class with Larry Francis upstairs. And I just got her out the door to have her there for 6 o'clock, and it is so treacherous out, and I called Larry and I can't get a hold of him, and I'm really concerned that he's on his way. Oh. It just came up on you real fast. Like it is, I couldn't see in front of us, and I said to Shay, oh my God, this is so awful, I'm just going to turn around. Well, we couldn't see like a foot in front of us. It's coming right after. We're down by the lake here. So, is there any way I can get a message through to Larry? Yeah, maybe Joanne has a number for him. I left a message with him at home, but maybe Joanne has a number that she could try to get a hold of him with. Okay. God, I hope he's okay.
Man, it's scary out there. Oh my God. It's like friggin' winter. Oh my God, it's the worst thing ever, man. I wonder if you can see through the plastic on my windows. Not really, but it's like, it's snowing. Yeah, you can't see through the plastic. It's really snowing though. Like, there was snow on my head. There probably still is snow on my head, but, yeah, really snowing. Bye.